Hey YouTube, what's good? What's poppin'? What's happening, gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know me, my name is Brilliant Dakota, and if you guys do know me, then welcome back, gang. And if you're not a part of that gang, then go subscribe to join. And that's all, period. As you guys can tell by the title of that video, today I'm gonna be doing a wig install. I've only installed this one time, but today I'm gonna be installing it, and we're gonna be doing it straight. I wore it curly for about a week, and I'm kind of over it, so I just washed it, and I'm preparing it for a new install and to get flat ironed. This is the color. I actually did a bleach bath on it, and I was gonna do a video on that, but I wound up not doing it because I was trying to upload the video that I already uploaded, my story time. If you guys haven't already, go watch that, because once I get this on my head, I'm gonna be doing some more story times, so stay tuned. I blew dry it out so it'll be a little easier to flat iron it, and I have my wig cap already kind of glued down. I'm gonna cut it off, and then we're gonna do our second layer of glue, and then I'm gonna do one more layer, and we're gonna put this on. So you guys are just gonna watch me do a wig install. It's a 22 inch, so it gives inches, baby. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. hair turned out. I did all the curls. I want to just put my bonnet on and scrunch them up so hopefully they won't fall tomorrow. But if you guys want to see Instagram pics that are going to come from these, just go follow me on Instagram at LeionnaBeauty because I got some TikToks coming out. It's also in my intro. I love what this came out like. These curls are holding so good. Actually, I haven't hit right here with a hot comb, but I will do that tomorrow. I just wanted to go ahead and wrap this video for you guys. Tell me what you think about my installing process because it's very much giving scalp, period. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, babies.